Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn about the sentences. Okay, I will tell you what are sentences and how we form sentences, right? A sentence is a group of words. As you can see, sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. What does it mean? सेंटेंस क्या होता है बेटा? सेंटेंस होता है अ सेंटेंस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? सेंटेंस वो होता है बेटा, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट मेक अ सेंस, जिसका कि कोई मीनिंग निकलता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज वर्ड, राइट? हाउ वी फॉर्म अ वर्ड. वर्ड क्या होता है, हम वर्ड्स कैसे बनाते हैं, राइट? एज वी ऑल नो, इन इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट वी हैव 26 letters, right? When we join two or more than two letters, it become a word, right? When we join two or more letters, it become a word. And when we join words in a proper way that makes a sense, it become a sentence, right? जब हम छोटे छोटे अपने लेटर्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो उससे हमारा वर्ड बनता है. एंड देन जब हम अपने वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं इन अ प्रॉपर वे टू मेक अ सेंटेंस, इट मेक्स अ सेंटेंस. बट अ सेंटेंस इज ओनली व्हेन अ सेंटेंस व्हेन इट गिव्स अ प्रॉपर मीनिंग, राइट? तो जब किसी भी सेंटेंस को हम रीड करते हैं उससे जब एक कंप्लीट सेंस निकलता है तो ओनली वी कैन से इट इज़ अ सेंटेंस, राइट? देयर आर 4 kinds ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. 4 टाइप्स के बेटा हमारे सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, जिसमें कि फर्स्ट आता है हमारा असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. अब ये असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस क्या होते हैं? वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल देम स्टेटमेंट्स, राइट? एन असर्टिव और डिक्लेरेटिव, yes, an assertive or declarative sentences says or states something. क्या मतलब हुआ बेटा इसका? हम एक सेंटेंस को असर्टिव सेंटेंस तब कहते हैं जब कोई सेंटेंस हमें कोई स्टेटमेंट देता है, राइट? स्टेटमेंट का मतलब कि हम एक नॉर्मल अपनी कोई भी बात बोल रहे होते हैं, राइट? जब हम नॉर्मली कुछ भी कह रहे हैं, एक नॉर्मल जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कुछ भी, तो वो हमारा एक नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट होता है, राइट? तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को हम असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस या फिर डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस भी बोलते हैं, जो कि हमें कुछ बता रहे होते हैं, राइट? लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. आप देख सकते हैं, द फॉक्स लुक्ड एट द पीस ऑफ चीज़. कि फॉक्स जो है वो चीज़ के पीस की तरफ देख रहा है, राइट? द फॉक्स डिड नॉट लाइक इट. तो इट्स जस्ट अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, ओके? सो इट्स अ असर्टिव सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज interrogative sentences, right? What are interrogative sentences? When we ask a question, right? In English or in any subject you can write question answers, right? When we ask a question, it becomes a interrogative sentence, right? A question is also a sentence. It is also made by different kind of words, right? So assertive interrogative sentence is also a kind of sentence. In interrogative sentence we ask a question, okay? A sentence that can, so we can say a sentence that can ask a question, जो हमें कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता है. such a sentence, इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस को has a क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस के एंड में हम एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. सो इट बिकम अ इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वी कैन राइट, राइट? वी कैन आस्क एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Simply just when we ask a question, it becomes an interrogative sentence, right? Are you feeling hungry? Example here we have, are you feeling hungry? क्या आपको भूख लग रही है? It's a question. We are asking a question, right? Who is knocking at the door? डोर पर कौन नॉक कर रहा है? when did you come, आप कब आए, right? So it's these all kind of sentences, in these sentences we are asking something, right? So these are interrogative sentences. Number third, imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? A sentence can express a command, give an order or a request. Any kind of sentence which gives us a command or an order or a request is an imperative sentences, right? In these kind of sentences we command something, we give an order, or we are having a request to someone, right? So examples of let's see some examples of imperative sentences. Keep off the glass, keep off the grass, right? It's just a command, we are giving a command here. Pass me the sugar please, right? We are requesting to someone, please pass me the sugar, right? It's a request, we are requesting to someone. Third, you can see, you should do your homework regularly. It's an advice. Okay, we are giving an advice to someone that you should do your homework regularly. It's an advice. So it's an imperative sentences. So these are kind of imperative sentences. Last and fourth one is exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are sentences which expresses some strong feeling or motion is known as exclamatory sentences. Sentences which give us express a strong feeling, a feeling of any kind, of feeling of any joy, feeling of sorrow, right? When we feel sad, it's all our feeling, or it shows emotions of us, right? So these are exclamatory sentences, sentences which shows our expressions, right? Which shows our feelings, which shows our sadness, right? So these all are exclamatory sentences. Okay, let's see some examples. Number one, how beautiful the flower is. We are giving an expression, wow, how beautiful flower is this, right? It's an exclamatory sentences. What a speech she gave, right? When here we have the word what, but it's not a interrogative sentence, right? What a speech she gave. क्या कमाल की speech उसने दी है, right? So it's an exclamatory sentence. We are happy to listen that speech. Then we can say what a speech she gave, right? So it's a exclamatory sentence. Okay. So we read. Let's have a quick revision. We read what a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. Only it becomes a sentence when it gives a complete sense, right? Sentences are of four kinds: assertive sentences, or we can say simple statement sentences; interrogative sentences when we ask a question; imperative sentences when we give order or have a request, right? Exclamatory sentences when we express our sorrow, our joy, right? These are four kind of sentences we have. Now here we have some exercise. Okay, rearrange the following group of words so that they become meaningful sentences. आपको यहाँ पर नीचे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं जिनको आपको इस तरह से करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है, देन इट बिकम अ सेंटेंस. तो सेंटेंस का जैसे मैंने आपको फर्स्ट थिंग बताई, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर अ सेंटेंस इज इट हैव अ प्रॉपर मीनिंग, राइट? एक मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए उसका. सो फर्स्ट इज knows me about he nothing, right? These are some words which are jumbled, and so we have to arrange them in a proper order that it makes us complete sense. Knows me about he nothing, right? So we can write it to make a sensible sentence. How? He knows. And when we write a sentence, when we start a sentence, the first letter of our sentence would be always capital. Okay? He knows nothing about me. Okay? He knows nothing about me. Right? The second sentence is father, her, or doctor is. Right? So, we can arrange the words in a proper order. Her father is a doctor. Right? Is hot is the sun very. So, here we have a question mark. So, it's very clear to us that it's a interrogative question. So, how will we write? First, we will write is the sun is very hot. Right? So, here you have lots of questions, right? So, you have to solve them yourself, your own. Then you can better know how to arrange the words to make a proper sentence. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Read the following sentences and name the kind of which each one of the belong. यहाँ पर आपको इन sentences को read करना है, then आपको बताना है कि ये sentence किस type का है. Right? We read that we have 4 kind of sentences. Right? So you have to read these sentences and then tell which kind of sentence is this. Right? He is a valiant young man. Right? So is just a statement. So it's a statement sentence. It's a kind of statement, right? So he is a valiant young man. It's a assertive sentence. Okay, so we can write here assertive. What kind of sentence is this? This is assertive sentence. Okay, make less noise. शोर कम करिए. Right? It's a kind of order. So it's a exclamatory sentence. Number 2 is make less noise. We are having a request here. Okay, so it's a imperative sentence. It's an imperative sentence. Don't be in such a hurry. इतनी जल्दी में मत रहो. It's just an statement. Okay, so it's a assertive sentence. Did Ahmed win the prize? We are asking a question here, right? It's a interrogative sentence. It's a kind of interrogative sentence. Okay. Sunday is the first day of the week, right? It's just a simple statement. So it's a assertive sentence. Okay. Now come to the question number C. Change the following statements into questions. You have to change here. These are simple sentences, simple assertive sentences, and you have to change them in a question. Okay. He has black shoes. उसके पास ब्लैक शूज़ हैं. तो हम क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे, क्या उसके पास ब्लैक शूज़ हैं, राइट? तो हम इसको किस तरह से क्वेश्चन में अरेंज करेंगे? लुक एट हियर. हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, डज ही हैज़ he has black shoes. क्या उसके पास ब्लैक शूज हैं? Shoes. Okay, and we are asking a question, so we have to put a question mark here. Okay, right? Number 2, the train is very late, right? तो हम क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेंगे? Is the train is very late, right? Okay, so remaining others you have to do yourself. Okay, so we read about the different kind of sentences in this chapter. Okay, now it's enough for today, right? Okay, now see you again in next video. Bye bye all of you. Till then, bye bye.